Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you why Bitcoin is dropping, but let's not get things twisted. I want to start off by congratulating anyone who has held Bitcoin up until this point. That's phenomenal, and I'm so happy for you. But it is dropping, and so, as someone who likes Bitcoin, which is myself, I'm still going to face the facts, right? It's dropping. It's down 2%, but let's not freak out here either, okay? It's down 2%. It was up over 2% yesterday, right? So big fucking deal. That being said, it is likely to drop further here a little bit, and so I do want to help people profit on a Bitcoin drop if we are going to continue to sell off here, right? So if it drops, great, we'll make money on it. If it doesn't drop, great, our Bitcoin holdings are going to continue to rise. So it's a win-win for us here at this point, right? Because if we're in Bitcoin, most of us here are in it for the longer term. So in this video, I'll break it down to you why Bitcoin's dropping now and how we can profit on that. I want to give you a list of tickers, a list of stocks, companies that are tightly correlated to Bitcoin. So let's make sure we get everyone on board here. Let's get started. So let's begin with the fact that Coinbase had their IPO today. Now, if you don't know what's happened, Coinbase has dumped off from 428 bucks all the way down to 339 right now. And that's very typical, okay? It's not that Coinbase is a shit stock or anything like that, okay? Oftentimes what happens is there's going to be so much hype, so much anticipation and build-up leading to the IPO that I'd say 80 to 90% of IPOs are going to sell off after they get put onto the market, okay? And so that's all we're seeing here with Coinbase. But what this Coinbase drop actually marks is the temporary climax point for Bitcoin, okay? So it's actually fascinating to see that Coinbase dumped off 25% from its peak today, yet Bitcoin is only down 2.2% right now, okay? So if that's not a testament to the strength of Bitcoin, then I don't know what is, okay? And anyone who's going to try to tell you that it's the end of the world, that this is the absolute climax point, is full of shit, okay? Because once again, if Coinbase is down 25%, Bitcoin's only down 2%, what does that tell you? Bitcoin's a lot stronger than a lot of people are giving it credit for, okay? And so we just pushed past 60,000. We shot higher another 5,000, which is what, 8% increase here in the last day? Like, come on, guys, let's be real here. A 3% drop is nothing when it comes to Bitcoin, but that being said, we should still expect some more downside, right? Because once again, it's only 3%. So you still got a lot of meat left on the bone when it comes to the downside. And if that's true, and if that's the case, how do you profit on that, okay? So here's my favorite way to profit on a Bitcoin drop. I'm going to share with you my favorite tickers to short. You're going to see I actually sent this message to our WhatsApp group today to short MSTR, and that's down 13%. Huge trade for us today in the Crash Trading Club. You can see I sent that out here in the morning. You can see it's time-stamped. There's the time we sent that out, and that's a phenomenal trade. Now, MSTR is highly concentrated into Bitcoin, but that's not the only stock and company that's highly correlated with Bitcoin. So other correlations are going to include Silvergate. Now, this is pretty much a crypto bank, so if crypto's falling, they're definitely going to be falling, and you can see that shown in the drop, 15.63%. Third thing you might be looking to short is going to be RIOT, down 15% as well. Now, fourth thing you should be looking to short if Bitcoin is going to continue lower is Overstock, okay? This is a very bearish formation. If you've taken our charts course, you know exactly what you're seeing here. But that being said, I want to go into the fifth thing you should be looking to short, which is Tesla. And this is also a message we sent to our group today in the Crash Trading Club. You can see Tesla puts, one of our favorite trades for the day. And we took advantage of that, guys. That is a huge trade. So that being said, those are my 5 favorite things to short if Bitcoin is going to drop. And so all 5 of these stocks I just gave you have a pretty strong correlation to Bitcoin. I'd say the one that has the least correlation is probably Tesla. But ultimately, guys, if you're one of those people, which is a lot of people, who simply don't want to short, right? Let's just say you're not comfortable shorting, you just don't like it. You're missing out on a lot of profits, right? Because you can see we're bullish on Bitcoin, but that doesn't stop us from shorting Bitcoin related things here, right? And so when you actually short things, okay, guess what you can do with those profits from the short side? You can put them back into the bull side, right? So it really is a huge benefit to you to be able to go both ways, right? So in the meantime, if Bitcoin's going to pull back like it naturally and logically should, we're definitely going to be there to take advantage of it. And guys, if you want to take advantage of the Bitcoin drop, however big it may be, you can join our trading group where I send out these messages where I show you exactly when to get in and out of these trades, why we're actually taking them, where I break it down and explain it to you in detail. And, it was a great day. We had Goldman Sachs calls here. As you can see, that thing rocketed higher. We had Tesla puts, MSTR puts. I mean, just a really good day here. So if you are interested in taking these trades live with us in the Crash Trading Club, you can join us through the link in the description. But that being said, let's summarize what we've went over, okay? Because sometimes you watch a video, you forget what you watched, all right? Why is Bitcoin dropping? One, Coinbase IPO has finally taken place, which is a very bullish catalyst for the crypto market. And so when that catalyst finally takes place, the excitement comes down a little. And so today this Coinbase drop acted as a domino effect that ended up falling into Bitcoin, right? BTC slash BTC is going to be on the futures here in Thinkorswim if you didn't know that. Silvergate, MSTR, Overstock, right, as we've went over in this video. So a lot of things that we went over here, in a very short amount of time, right? Just 6 minutes is all I took, guys. I'm not going to waste your time ever on this channel. So I hope you enjoy the no fluff, no BS type of style we have here. That being said, earnings season is here. So I have a video going over tips and tricks and things you should know going into this earnings season. And so we're looking forward to that. So I'll link that here at the end of this video. You could check that out if you're interested in trading the earnings season, the banks that are reporting. We are tracking to make over 400 and 500% on our upcoming trades this week. So if you want to join us, that link's in the description. I'm looking forward to it. But guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like and make sure you're subscribed. And let me know if you have any questions or things you'd like me to cover. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Alex, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.